AI is the untapped gold mine of your side hustle success. This is the future. Are you in or are you out? Welcome to a fascinating journey where we explore how AI can be your secret weapon in your side hustle success. Today we're going to dive into the barriers or dragons that might be standing between you and AI. We'll also explore the benefits of AI and the practical steps that you need to take in order to start using AI for your business. We'll show you how to embrace AI and conquer the mystery of AI. By understanding AI and exploring affordable options and integrating it smoothly, you can start using AI. Our first barrier or dragon is lack of knowledge and understanding, and it might be the most intimidating one. Many side hustlers hesitate to venture into the world of AI because it's like a world of mystery. You might be thinking that AI is complex algorithms and robots taking over the world, but really it's not that scary. AI is just like a super smart assistant, ready to do various tasks for you. Sometimes feels like it's a friend. It's important to demystify AI. It's not just for tech geeks. It really is accessible, learnable, and usable. And it can add enormous value to your side hustle. Remember, knowledge is your sword, and with the right resources and learning platforms, you can slay this dragon right there. Our next barrier dragon is cost concerns. You might be thinking that AI is a luxury that you cannot afford. But let me tell you differently. This barrier is just an illusion. AI doesn't have to cost you anything at all. From chatbots to data analytics platforms, you can find affordable solutions that won't break the bank. I'll name a few that I use right here: ChatGPT and vidIQ. One more barrier dragon is fear of replacing humans. It's like thinking AI will replace you and your team, just turning you into relics from the past. But that's far from the truth. AI is here to complement, not compete, with your knowledge and skills. Think of AI as a trustworthy sidekick, always ready to step in and help you with the tasks that you find boring or time-consuming. So when you can let those repetitive tasks go, you can focus instead on what's important and really takes your business to the next step. AI can analyze data, provide insights, and handle customer interactions, leaving you with more time to do the creative work and make qualified decisions. So the treasure chest of benefits of AI is now within your reach. So stay tuned to explore how you can unlock those benefits and turn AI into a favor in your business and a secret weapon for your side hustle. Let's explore the benefits. You'll be surprised as to how fast and clever AI can help you in your business. Automation, efficiency, productivity, and data insights are just a few of the benefits that you'll get from AI. So this is a secret weapon that can turn your small side hustle into a thriving empire. So tell me in the comments, are you leaning towards in or out? So first on the list is automation and time savings. Imagine AI as your virtual assistant, tirelessly handling repetitive tasks. Emails, social planning, invoicing, and basic customer communication, order processing. All those tedious tasks can be taken care of by AI, leaving you more time in your day. You can now focus on evolving your side hustle or even enjoying a break. The second benefit of AI is improved efficiency and productivity. This is like upgrading a regular bike to one with a rocket on it. This is the difference between not using AI and using AI. It doesn't just speed up things, it's kind of supercharging them. Tasks that you usually spend hours performing are done by AI in minutes. Like producing website text, producing blog posts, writing scripts for videos. That only takes AI minutes. Then of course you have to rewrite it, you have to read it, you have to review it, and that takes time, but that you do usually anyway. And the result is higher productivity, more time, and more money flowing into your business. Now let's talk about data-driven insights. AI can analyze vast amount of data for you so that you can make qualified business decisions. It can analyze customer needs, customer behaviors, trends. It's like having a personal data scientist in your team. So with this knowledge, you can create good strategies, awesome strategies, and really plan out the future of your business. Imagine knowing what your customers want before even they do, and you'll have the upper hand in a competitive market. That's the power of AI. So stay tuned to explore practical steps that you can take to start using AI and embracing AI. So now that we have torn down the barriers between you and AI, and we have explored the benefits of AI, it's now time to hand you the map, the road to success on how you can start using AI. Step number 1 is start with education. There's a lot to learn, but it's not impossible. It's not a mystery, it doesn't have to be a mystery, and you don't have to be a tech wizard in order to grasp it all. So in order to get started, there are plenty of educational resources out there. You can turn to online courses, AI-related books, and video tutorials. 3 perfect sources of information for you. Don't be afraid to dive in. Step number 2 then is to explore affordable AI tools that you can use for your business. Many people think that AI is expensive, but there is no secret about this. AI doesn't have to cost you a single dime. ChatGPT 3.5, for example, is totally free. And you can start exploring it right now. I'll point you to a video at the end of this one where you can sign into ChatGPT and start using it immediately, okay? Hey, smash like if this is giving you value. It's much appreciated. Thank you, thank you. And also comment below. Are you leaning towards in or out when it comes to AI? And then the next step, of course, is to start using an AI tool and start to integrate it into your workflow in your business. Like trying ChatGPT or maybe vidIQ if you're making videos. Now here's an exciting part of our journey. It's exploring a success story of a person that has integrated AI into her side hustle and seen enormous results from it. Get ready to be inspired! So this story is about Sarah. She's a talented graphic designer and her business was thriving, but she had a hard time finding balance between the administrative, repetitive tasks and the creative tasks of her business. She was feeling overwhelmed. So her challenge was to find a balance in work. So what did she do? She turned to AI to overcome these challenges. So she started using AI to schedule client meetings, to handle invoices, and to handle routine client interactions. And not only did she save time, she also improved her client's experience. No more missed appointments and no more faulty invoices. So with AI, she has found the perfect work-life balance and is now able to spend more time doing the stuff she loves. That could be the case for you too. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows, of course. She had an obstacle or a barrier of learning AI and adapt it to her workflow. But in the end, her business has seen substantial growth thanks to AI, and her story is a testament to the power of embracing technology and finding harmony between human creativity and AI efficiency. So in the end, her story is the testament to embracing technology and learning about it and using it and finding harmony between human creativity and AI efficiency. So again, are you in or are you out? If you're in, you need to watch this video next to get into ChatGPT and start using it. See you there.